Hello, in this video we will see how to install and run Appium for Android on Windows. First we need to set up path variables Android_home and Java_home. To do that, we will click on this PC, and from here we will click System Properties, and here we will click Advanced System Settings, and here we can go inside Environment Variables. Make sure Android_home and Java_home is selected. These paths may be different for both of these items based on your installation, but it's easy to find. Once you have set up the variables, please make sure you have installed latest Node.js long-term edition. Now let us install Appium via npm. Next we need to install Appium Inspector. Appium Inspector will allow you to run and record the tests. I have already downloaded it, so I will skip this step, but you can install it from this location. Now let us first start command prompt as an administrator on Windows and then run Appium. This shows that Appium server has now started. Now let's fire up Appium Inspector. Let's configure Appium Inspector. We need to set this to wd/hub. Port is correct. We need to set Appium automation name to UI Automator 2 for Android, and we have to add one more property, platform name as Android. Now it's configured, but we will not start the session yet. We need to first start our app to test. So now my app is running, and let's start the session. Now the Appium session has started. First we will start recording. This is the start recording button. Next we will choose the element. Let's say start button here, and we will perform a tap action on this button. Let's refresh the source. You can choose different code generation style. We have chosen JavaScript. Let's select the first item in the list, and again we will click the tab button. Now we will choose a username. We'll click tab, so the element will get selected, and then we can send the keys. And let's hit the sign up button. It should give this warning. So we'll hit the OK button again. Now you can use this recorded step to create JavaScript file and run this automatically. There is one slight problem with the drawer layout. It's a little tricky on Appium. So let me show you how the problem is. We'll select this drawer button and we'll tap it. Now we cannot select these items which are on drawer layout. So what we have to do is we have to click refresh, and then we have to manually choose item by searching corresponding menu item on the drawer. So let's say this is on the top of the background item, so it will be the second view group inside inside another one. This is the list view, and here we'll choose the second item that should say, okay, so this is the home selected by clicking here. This is how it's tricky to select anything on a drawer layout, but you only have to do it once. Okay, so this is how we run Appium, and we can record and run tests. This Appium is just a recorder. You have to save this JavaScript as a JavaScript file in Node project, and then configure same thing in the code and run it. For that you have to look the documentation. Thank you very much for watching this video.